Hey guys, just doing a quick video today on how to bridge Prism tokens from one chain to another. So we'll just navigate to this URL here, and you can also just find it through the Prism main webpage, or the Prism bridge. So what we do is I'm going to be doing a transaction 50 Prism, and so I go to approve Prism first, confirm it on your MetaMask pop-up, and I'll be doing a transaction moving my Prism to Binance Smart Chain. So just make sure you have the relevant chain that you're bridging to already added to your MetaMask. And so we're just going to wait for this Prism. There we go. And so we're bridging to the Binance Smart Chain. And so I'll get another pop-up again and hit confirm. And as the warning says, don't mess with the gas prices just because it will mess with the functionality. And there we go. Transaction is confirmed. So we've got a bridge transaction pending now. And so what we do is we go to the bridge history page. So we can see that I have the 50 Prism ready to go. So I'll switch to the Binance Smart Chain. Unlock. Pay the fee. And so now we can see my Prism has shown up, and that's it. Simple as that.